Hi, it's Lauren. This is part 2 of the two-part series. Part 1 was the leaf eye makeup. If you want to watch that, I'm going to put the link in the bottom bar below. So if you want to see how to do this hairstyle, if you like to be wild and crazy at Halloween like I do, then keep watching. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is section off the mohawk section. So you can decide what you think, how wide you want it to be. Okay, and then I'm just going to tie back the rest of my hair while I work on this. Okay, so I'm just going to back comb the mohawk section, just one section at a time. Just going to start with the front. And as I work back, I just take another section and add it into the front section. And continue doing that all the way back. I'm going to give that a spray on all sides. And smooth out the back combing from the front just a little bit. This is a messy look, so for the most part we're not going to be doing a lot of smoothing out. So now that I've got this mohawk section finished, I'm just going to kind of twist that off and hold it with a bobby pin, just out of the way. Just like that, and then I'm going to take out the rest of my hair. And now I'm just going to be taking these kind of front sections that you would take if you were doing your hair half up. I'm going to take that on both sides. And then I'm gonna brush. If you have like a brush that's kind of like a smoothing brush, I'm gonna try to brush these sides in really, really tight. I'm going to take a hair elastic. This is just a clear one, so whatever matches your hair the best. And I'm going to secure that with an elastic. Then I'm just going to go back through with my hairspray to tighten that up on the sides. Okay, so next we're gonna make what is gonna be our bird's nest. So I'm gonna do a really high ponytail, but I'm gonna do it slightly to the side. So I'm just gonna brush my hair up high to the spot where I want the ponytail to be. I'm not going to include this mohawk section in that ponytail. And then I'm going to use my smoothing brush to try and smooth out all the hair into a ponytail. And then I'm just going to use this elastic band that's the same color as my hair. And then just secure that nice and tight so that it keeps my hair close to my face the way I like it. Okay, so next I'm going to just take my hair one section at a time and back comb it like crazy. I'm just really gonna have fun with this. All the way from roots to ends. And you can do it front and back as much as you can so that it just stands up on its own. And then you just want to spray each section. So once I've got it all back combed, I'm just going to pick it all up in one piece and back comb it all together. This is lovely. Okay, so I'm gonna take my mohawk section out of the pin. So at this point, I'm gonna start trying to shape my front section. And I think I'm gonna do it a little bit of a twist to the side. Then I'm gonna add this in with the rest of the ponytail. Okay, now I'm going to start forming my bird's nest. So you're just going to be doing a bun, just kind of bringing it around in the shape that a bird's nest would be. I'm just going to start pinning. I'm using the little short bobby pins, if you guys have seen those. It's nice because you really just want it to grab your hair and attach it. You don't really need it to be really long. I think they're easier to hide. So I'm just gonna start wrapping it around and pinning. And just gonna keep securing it until I feel like it's gonna stay in place. So now the next step is to add my bird's nest. So I got this bird's nest at Hobby Lobby and it was just $2 or $3. So I'm gonna add this onto my bun as if it's a little hat. So I'm gonna put it right here, kind of at an angle so that it can be seen. And I'm going to kind of pull up my bun so that you can see my bird's nest on all sides of this bird's nest. And I'm gonna start pinning. I can stick my bobby pins right through the nest to secure them into my hair. And with this one, it works a little bit better to have the longer bobby pins. I'm also gonna go in from underneath, grab some of my hair, grab some of the nest. So now I'm just gonna start shaping my bun and adding more pins until it creates this kind of shape where I can see it all around my nest. Now you could stop there, but I like to go totally over the top. So I bought just a little greenery at Hobby Lobby. They had these, I think they were on sale for like $3 or something. And they're the kind that has wire in them so that you can actually kind of bend them and shape them how you want. And I am just going to add these in over my nest. And then I'm just gonna bobby pin it on the side. And I've just kind of bent them a little bit so that they're going in that shape. And this is the Bird's Nest Halloween look. Just for fun, I put a little bird on my shoulder. So if you guys want to try this look, go ahead and put up a video response, and I'd love to see what kind of costume you came up with to go with this look. Thanks for watching, you guys. Go ahead and comment, and please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.